After 3D printing hundreds of models, we've really come to appreciate a good, satisfying 3D print. And that's why in today's video, we're going to compile 10 of the best satisfying 3D prints that we've seen for you guys to enjoy.
Our first 3D print is this little squish fidget. You pretty much just squish it around and push it around and flick it and squeeze it back and forth, and it's pretty satisfying. It took 27 minutes to print this out, and it's about 1.18 meters of filament. You can also adjust the size on the slicer, which makes it pretty nice because you can make it as big or small as you want.
The following print requires just about 22.5 meters of filament and 2 hours of time to print. And it is this marble fidget toy. Even with a 3D printed marble, it works really well, and it's so satisfying that I just love to play with it.
Next, we have this spiral physics toy. You can spin it around, and it kind of makes like a DNA helix shape at times. It took about 2 hours and 40 minutes to print this out, and about 12.43 meters of filament.
After that, we have a balancing eagle toy, which requires just 10.48 meters of filament and 1.75 hours of time to print. The balancing eagle toy is cool because you can just have it on your desk and flick it around and it never falls. It's really cool to look at.
Our next print is this satisfying clicker that makes noise as you spin it. Basically, you just spin it around and it makes a bunch of noise. And you can also adjust this slider to make the noise louder or a little less loud. This print took about 2 hours and 15 minutes to print, and it's about 12.15 meters of filament.
After that, coming in at just 4.44 meters of filament used and 2.25 hours of time to print, we have this scaled down NASA fabric. The NASA fabric is a great 3D print because it's fun to just have it on your hand and play around with it.
Next, we have this fidget clicker that you can basically click back and forth, and it's pretty satisfying and it makes a really nice click. It took about 33 minutes to print this out, and it's about 3 meters in filament.
Coming in at just under 11 meters of filament used and requiring 2.25 hours of time to print, we have this spiral fidget cone. It's fun to play with because it has a really nice noise, and also the way it just lines up perfectly every time is just really nice to look at.
The next 3D print we have is this kind of pin art thing where you kind of just push the buttons back and forth and make little impressions with your finger or with your thumb, etc. It takes about 53 minutes to print it out, and it's about 4 meters in filament. It's a pretty interesting print, and this one actually doubles as a keychain.
The last item, coming in at just an hour to print and requiring 5.5 meters of filament, is this iris fidget toy. Even though this one took me a minute to assemble, it's really nice to look at.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Let us know which print you guys found most satisfying in the comments. Remember to also like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week.